Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Monday, November 9th, 2020, and it's so good to be here today. I'm looking forward to another great week. As you can see there on your screen, let's see which direction am I pointing. There we go. This week we're talking about relevance of school and why school is relevant, why school should be important to you. Before we do that, let's go ahead and jump into our Pledge of Allegiance this morning. Can you please stand at attention with me? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, Achieve, you can go ahead and have a seat. We're going to jump into this topic of relevance of school. So, it's really hard to try hard at something when you don't know why that thing is important, and that's our big goal today. We're going to talk about, actually the whole week, why is school important? Why is this an important part of your life? So in talking about the relevance of school, I kind of want to define this term relevance or relevant before we get started too much here and talking about why school is relevant. We need to talk about what relevance even means. You might have heard this before when you're just hearing something like a comment from your parents. Like maybe your parents are talking about plans for the day or plans for the weekend, and you ask them, like, how many more days until Christmas? And they're like, how is that relevant? Like, we were just talking about what we need to finish today, and you're talking about something that's totally disconnected. So relevant means like related, connected. And what we're going to talk about this week is like, how is school that you're doing right now connected to your whole life? Because if it is connected, then you need to do a really good job in school right now because it'll affect you your whole life. But if it's not connected, then it wouldn't matter and you're just here like for fun. But I think school really is relevant. So we're going to jump into that this week and talk about why is school relevant? How is this connected to me and the rest of my life? And I want to jump in with a conversation today. I remember having a lot of these thoughts as a kid. Before I show you all those words, too many words while I'm talking. I remember having these thoughts as a kid like, oh, this is awesome. I love doing this science project. This is so fun. I remember one time in 6th grade that we got this really cool science unit and I was just all excited about it. I didn't really know whether or not that was going to help me in life, but I thought it was pretty cool. And then I remember other times in school thinking, I wonder if this is something that will help me or not. I wonder if this is something I really need. Why do we do this? So I want you to have a little brainstorm time with your class just to get the juices flowing this week. And your topic for today is those 2 topics that are coming up on the next screen. You can talk about anything that you've noticed in school that you think is actually important. Like, oh, Miss V, I need to know this because when I grow up, blah, blah, blah. Oh, Mr. Alderson, remember that thing we did last year in history? That is definitely something that I need to know so that when I grow up, I know how to vote. There's things that are really clear where already you're like, I totally know why that's important. So I want you to list off some of those things. And then I want you to just keep track of some questions today. And teachers, if you get some good ones, be sure and email me. I'd love to connect with the students on some of these. But if you have questions like, why do we do that in school? I have always wondered, why do we do that at school? Ask those questions today too. And you may or may not have time to discuss the answers to those, but at least you'll have a chance to start keeping track of some of those questions. Why do we do this? So 2 topics for today. Name something we do at school that you already can recognize is really important. That's number 1. And option number 2 is name something we do at school that you've always wondered about. Why do we do that? When will I use this? Have a great day, Achieve.